If you want to set always on display on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now, the Galaxy Tab A9 and the A9 Plus does not have the always on display feature by default, since they do not have an OLED display. But if you want to get this feature on your tablet, then just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now, just install this app on your tablet. And after you do that, then tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Draw over the apps. Now from this app list, just look for the option of Movies Edge and enable this app. And after you do that, then just go back. And at the bottom of the display, just tap on AOD. Now from here, just select the always on display style which you like. For example, I will select this style. Now to apply this always on display style, just tap on Apply. And after you do that, now just go to the lock screen of your tablet. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled always on display on our tablet. And this is how you can enable always on display on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.